Hi guys, welcome to Nettie's amazing house. Today I'll be making some raisin buns, and to start I'll add one and a half cup warm milk, 6 tablespoons sugar, 1.5 teaspoon yeast, an egg, and 6 tablespoons melted butter, 1 cup raisin. I want a lot of raisin. 2 teaspoons vanilla, 4 cups flour, all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, a teaspoon salt. Mix. Let's add in the flour. I'll grease this bowl because this is the bowl I'll be transferring my dough over in to rest for an hour. I'm just turning over the dough so that it's coated with butter. Yes. All the raisin broken up to small pieces. Wow. Nice. We're going to leave this dough to rest for an hour and a half. We'll see till it's doubled in size. Wow. Smells good. I need 12 pieces, so let's try and do this equally. Half again, half again. 1, 2, I can already see that this one is way bigger. Take a piece off of you, put you here. Piece from you, put you here. cover this and leave it for another hour to double once more in size before I put it in the oven. Now my buns are ready. Now these will bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Here they are, ready for the oven. Here they are, guys, just out the oven. My raisin buns. Mmm.